It's review time! Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your Ria and today we are going to make a very fun video. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So what today we are going to do is that there are a few brands that I have tried which are not too famous but yeah, moderately okayish. So I tried them and I have this honest review of the products that I have used and I'm going to share that with you guys. So the first brand that we are going to review today is a clothing brand. The brand's name is Shubh Vastra and I'm going to show their Instagram page here somewhere. So the thing is I bought it because I saw a lot of times on my Instagram you can have the anarkalis and all. So the brand is all about ethnic wear and you can buy them from their own websites. So first thing, packaging, lovely packaging. I love this brand. मैंने first time buy किया था and I'm a fan. मैंने 2 बार पहना है. I'm going to show how I carried it and the outfit itself as well. The whole outfit is way too good, perfect fitting, perfect everything, and the cloth is very nice. आपको कहीं पे चुभता नहीं है, कुछ भी, कोई भी embroidery वगैरह कुछ भी इधर से उधर नहीं है. Perfect cloth. And this was the dupatta that came with it. See, I guess you can see the perfect work पीछे से भी. Yeah, everything was perfect about this dupatta. I've paired this up with different things. This is the whole anarkali piece. You can see a very good flare you will get. Very good flare you get. The back, you can see the front of the piece and पीछे आपको ये मिलता है. इसमें this has this samosa tassels kind of a thing. This is. तो इसके अंदर वो है and this is the whole sleeve one and the sleeve is of net. I just loved the whole outfit. पूरा outfit बहुत ही मेरी expectations से better आया. मैंने सोचा नहीं था but it came amazing. The only problem that I have with this, the whole brand is the return and exchange part. So I bought this in extra small and I thought कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा fitted है and अगर मैं थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा मोटी हो जाती हूँ तो मैं नहीं पहन पाऊँगी. तो my opinion was कि मैं इसको change करा के extra small की जगह पे small ले लेती हूँ. It will not be too bigger and it will not be too small. And then I contacted them for the exchange and all and they said that you have to return the parcel. आप अपनी side से उसे deliver कराओ. That will be charges will be yours and फिर उसके बाद जो हम exchange product भेजेंगे उसमें भी there will be additional delivery charges जो आपको pay करेंगे. तो मुझे लगता है कि everything is good but being a consumer if I look तो मुझे लगेगा कि छोड़ भाई कहीं और से ले लेती हूँ. इतना ड्रामा कौन सहन करेगा. तो मेरा पॉइंट ये है कि आप एटलीस्ट वन एक्सचेंज या रिटर्न कुछ आप फ्री कर सकते हो कि आप अगर एक एक्सचेंज हम आपको फ्री दे रहे हैं कि आपको अगर एक्सचेंज कराना है, साइज एक्सचेंज कराना है, स्टाइल एक्सचेंज कराना है, आप वो कराएंगे. लेकिन उसके बाद आफ्टर 7 days दैट इज नॉट अलाउड. सो आई गेस दैट विल मेक मोर सेंस टू मी बट ठीक है. अब नाउ दैट आई नो माई साइज कि मुझे शुभ वस्त्र से कल कपड़े मंगाने को मुझे कौन सा साइज अपने लिए मंगाना चाहिए. आई थिंक आई एम गोना बाय मोर बिकॉज आई लव देयर आउटफिट्स. और उसमें कुछ हैं जो मेरे फेवरेट हैं जो मैं पक्का ऑर्डर करूँगी. इफ यू आर वेरी श्योर अबाउट व्हाट इज योर साइज एंड एवरीथिंग देन इट्स like must buy brand, like you have to buy it from them. Okay guys, so moving forward, the next is gonna be obviously the hair care brand for me. It's a hair care skin care brand, Bare Anatomy. So I recently purchased Bare Anatomy products and I'm amazed. So I'm gonna give my review. So you know that I have curly hairs. Like someone told me that I should follow a full curling and all regime. And to be honest, मैं proper curling regime नहीं follow करती हूँ because I don't like curls on me particularly. On my face, I feel like these straights go much better or a little wavy. बट अब जो नेचुरली मिल चुका है आपको उसे इम्प्रेस करना होता है. तो उस चक्कर में आई ऑर्डर्ड फ्यू प्रोडक्ट्स एंड आई फाउंड बेयर एनाटमी वेरी रीजनेबल, वेरी अफोर्डेबल. तो मैंने उनकी सेल्स मंगाया था इसको बट अमेजिंग प्रोडक्ट्स. सो आई गॉट माई सेल्फ 3 hair care products, 1 skin care product and 1 lip care product. And I'm going to tell you my favorite one is the lip care product. Like I have some marks on my face, okay, and because of that my upper lip has a burnt texture. थोड़ा सा हल्का सा देयर इज, मतलब सामने वाले को नहीं पता चलेगा बट आई कैन फील इट. एंड इफ यू ऑल्सो टच यू वॉन्ट फील इट लाइक इतना अच्छे से, बट इफ आई टच इट आई नो एंड आई कैन फील इट. तो आई गिव इट अ ट्राई टू दिस वन. दिस इज अ नॉन tinted one lip balm. It's a natural SPF 50 lip balm and I've used it continuously for 2 to 3 months and trust me, I don't have that layer anymore. Not at all. वो पूरी जो burnt texture की layer थी वो पूरी चली गई है मेरे upper lip से. I don't have it anymore. So this is like a gem product that I have and I think I'm going to repurchase this one for sure. Moving forward, the 3 hair care products that I have is one is this conditioner. This is anti-dandruff reduction conditioner. I don't get the point of dandruff reduction because वो तो मुझे नहीं दिखता इससे इतना अच्छे से कि मतलब I use 2 products for dandruff reduction. One is a clinically recommended shampoo, so that works. Shampoo works for me and उसके साथ मैं ये यूज़ करती थी. But इससे एज सच कोई लेना देना नहीं है डैंड्रफ से, बट आई कैन डेफिनेटली से कि अगर आपके बाल बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रीजी हो जा रहे हैं या फिर आपको वो स्मूथनेस चाहिए अपने बालों में, दैट इट गिव्स. बट अगर आपको मेन कंसर्न है कि आपको डैंड्रफ ही हटाना है तो दिस इज नॉट योर प्रोडक्ट. Moving forward, I've got these 2 hair curling products. One is a hair defining gel and one is a leave-in conditioner. So this one actually has a very waterish नहीं बोलूँगी, but jelly transparent kind of a texture and good enough for like giving a gel to your curls. When it comes to leave-in conditioner, I feel leave-in conditioner help you to anti-frizz your hair because curls get frizzy very fast and all. तो ये product उसमें बहुत help करता है and all these products smells amazing. Best part about them, this smells amazing and these two works for the curls and all. Hold up मुझे लगता है थोड़ा कम है. I like these two. If you're a beginner in curling, go for them. So the last product that I had from Bare Anatomy was this moisturizer, which is almost finished, and it tells that it gives intense hydration and all, lightweight, non-sticky for normal dry skin and sensitive skin. Yes, it is lightweight. Yes, it is non-sticky. There is no white cast or any weird smell, and it is good for normal and dry skin. I agree with all of them because it does the work. It gives your skin good hydration, which is required. So Bare Anatomy, good for the curling, best for the lip care, and good for the face hydration as well. Just the dandruff part doesn't work for me. Next up is obviously a makeup brand, so this is going to be for the beginners. Insight Cosmetics, because when I started my makeup as a college student, I realized that everyday makeup के लिए I need something which is very affordable, and being a college student आप afford कर पाओ. तो Insight Cosmetics is one of that brand जो मुझे literally बहुत पसंद आई because it's very affordable. आपको during the sale time बहुत ज़्यादा कम prices पे मिल जाती है and works amazing on your skin. The first thing that I loved was and is going to be always my favorite, the concealer. Trust me, the best concealer I used in the affordable range, obviously, because my skin is not like the same texture everywhere, and plus I have a lot of hair marks, which is a problem that I have on my skin, which is prominent. And every makeup product that I use after some time get oxidized because of that. Only and only on those parts. बेशक मैं कितना भी अच्छा primer use कर लूँ, कितना भी अच्छा color corrector use कर लूँ, it gets oxidized. Now that I've used Insight Cosmetics का concealer shade, that is the exact shade. और सारे brands में मुझे लगा कि मुझे ना वो shade create करना पड़ रहा है. That's why it gets oxidized और वो exact shade नहीं create होता. But Insight Cosmetics का जो concealer shade है, that is exactly what I need for my skin, and it's exactly the correct concealer shade. That's why it works. So मैंने इतना यूज कर लिया है कि वो सब कुछ हट गया इसके ऊपर से. But yeah, this is how it. कंडीशन देख सकते हो तुम कि मैंने किस लेवल पे यूज किया है इसको भी. I love this shade. The second is the color corrector palette. So I have this one. ठीक है, मैंने जब स्टार्टिंग में ली थी तो मैंने ये वाली ले ली थी, बट आई फील लाइक देयर इज वन मोर जिसके अंदर ये सारी शेड्स नहीं है, एंड इसकी जगह पे आपको और कंसीलर शेड्स मिल जाते हैं या फिर और कॉन्टोर शेड्स मिल रहे हैं, हाईलाइटिंग वाला मिल जाता है शायद. वो वाला अगर आप बाय कर लें तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है बिकॉज दैट एवरीथिंग कैन बी यूज्ड. इसमें जैसे सम इज लाइक ओवर यूज एंड सम इज नेवर यूज वाली सिचुएशन है, तो दैट्स वन थिंग दैट आई थिंक कि हाँ ठीक कर सकते हैं. वरना ऑल इन ऑल इट वर्क्स बिकॉज फॉर बिगनर्स अगर आपका कलर करेक्टर चाहिए, यू हैव एवरी शेड, यू कैन टीच योरसेल्फ कि कैसे आप सारी शेड्स यूज कर सकते हो. लाइक गुड प्रोडक्ट. आई रिसीव्ड माय Moody's parcel. So yes, so I ordered Moody's for sunscreens and all. So this is not the first time I'm using Moody's. I've used it earlier as well, and I loved a few things and I hate a few things. So basically, I love Moody's for their sunscreens because firstly, they have a very decent, cutesy smell, which I love it. Plus, amazing packaging because how pretty are these products? Like wow. And the third thing is that they're non-sticky. Also, there is no white cast. They just melt on your face. They give hydration. They do the moisturizing wala kaam as well, and the sun protection wala kaam as well. So all in all, I like their sunscreens. But so there are 4 types of sunscreens they have. ठीक है, उसमें से I always loved the blue one. That is some hydrating one, coconut water and all. ये वाली है वो, and I loved it. उसके अलावा there is this yellow one, which I don't remember कि कौन सी है, but yellow packaging है उनकी. तुम देखोगे ना उसमें, आप देखना जो भी yellow वाली हो, don't buy that because वो बहुत बेकार है. It has very indecent texture and it's just पता नहीं. Last time I bought it and I applied and आप उसे लगाते हो and then वो ऐसे छोटे-छोटे पार्टिकल्स में गिरने लग जाती है. आई डोंट नो, एकदम से वाइट कास्ट देगी आपको और फिर उसके बाद ऐसे उनसे ब्लेंड करने की कोशिश करोगे तो वो पूरी ऐसे निकलनी शुरू हो जाएगी एंड देन फिर झड़ जाती है वो बिल्कुल ही. अजीब सा ही टेक्सचर था उसका, बहुत ही अजीब प्रोडक्ट मिला था मुझे लास्ट टाइम, तो आई सेड नो टू दैट. बट ब्लू वाली मुझे अच्छी लगी थी तो मैं ऐसे मूडीज को डिसोन भी नहीं कर पाई. सो अभी उनकी सेल चल रही थी. यू कैन गेट 3 products at 700 plus 2 free products, which is a free sample mini products, which is useless only, कुछ नहीं होता उसमें. So the first one that I loved, I received as a mini sample free product as well, but I bought it as well. So this was the first one, Moody's की blue one. So this is 7D Hydro Burst Hybrid Water Sunscreen, SPF 50 PA++++, and it has coconut water and hyaluronic acid. So this is that cream. So what I was telling you guys was this amazing packaging. Ouch. See how cute it is. Like you can carry it anywhere, and amazing packaging, guys. Amazing packaging, amazing texture. So you just have to do like this and get on your fingers. I take this too. तो मैं ऐसे कर देती हूँ. It's easier like that to use. You just have a very good texture. I'll show you. Line here. No white cast, nothing, and no chip, nothing. I just love this thing about it. It's very hydrating, and I love coconut. So बहुत बढ़िया. Plus a good smell, a decent one. It's not overpowering or something. It's very nice. Last time मैंने येलो वाली करी थी तो वो बहुत बेकार लगी थी. So I thought I will go for a pink one this time. This one, again, cute packaging. Things I love Moody's for is cute packaging. B Moody. Yes. So it's also like this. Okay. Derma Soothe Mineral Fluid Sunscreen, SPF 50 PA++++, vitamin E and ceramides. Yeah. It's just the quantity of these are very less. We'll just open it. मैं unboxing भी आप ही लोगों के साथ कर रही हूँ. So the product is not nice, you know. मैं ऐसे ही 2 fingers लेती हूँ. Again, इनकी blue वाली ही अच्छी है. आज के अलावा कोई और अच्छी नहीं है. Again, it has a very indecent smell to it. मुझे नहीं पसंद आई. I think I'm gonna buy only the blue sunscreen from now on. And the texture तो चलो ठीक लग रहा है मुझे. White cast वगैरह तो नहीं है. But the smell is nice. I would have loved it अगर इसकी smell अच्छी होती तो it's. I got for the first time a Derma Smooth Barrier Repair Moisturizer as well. मैंने same range का moisturizer भी मंगा लिया है. गलतियाँ इंसान एक बार करता है, मैंने 2 बार कर दिया है. Let's open this one and see how it is. मैंने इस पैकेजिंग भी ओपन करी है. पहले जब मैंने Moody's बाय किया था ना तो I used to get stickers as well in the packaging and इस बार नहीं आए हैं कोई भी stickers. Moody's, if you are listening, then please give me stickers whenever I buy or whenever you want to collaborate with me. Just collaborate on the blue one or something new that you're launching, but not on these other products of yours. The texture is okayish, so I'm gonna. ठीक है. Smell is okayish. I like when skincare की smell भी अच्छी आती है without good smell मुझे skincare भी अच्छी पसंद है. And it is hydrating enough, I guess. Yeah, I think hydration का काम already वो sunscreen कर लेती है blue वाली. I'm so biased towards it. And then I got 2 free minis, which is these 2, which is like mini ka mini version. This is the same sunscreen that I have in a mini form, so loved it. And then I got this. This says that it's an acne expert mattifying dry sunscreen, SPF 50 PA++++, niacinamide and green tea. Okay, so I used it last night only, क्योंकि कल आ गया था product. And it is a kind of mattifying because I tried it on my hands and it just gives me a little decent ऐसे. I can't explain. Brightness will come करिए so that you can see. If I mix it well. Just leave it for some time. See the difference. Just mattifies this smooth texture. I think it's mattifying, yeah. It does work. It says what it does. I think I like it. If you are thinking for having a primer or something, you can use it. But this does the work of primer. I somehow liked it, but I was hoping to get a bit bigger one. This is very small, free. That's it for the review video, guys. I will be coming out with other brands as well. And if you want me to try some other small business brands, then comment down that brand or ask them to collaborate with me, or I'll mail them for a collaboration if needed. Or I'll buy some products from them and I'll review and I'll let you guys know. So yeah, that's it for the video. If you liked it, then please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have used any of these products or any of these brands, and if your product आपको अच्छा लगता है or something, you can comment down and let me know and educate me about the same. For the time being, it's a goodbye. See you next.